Hello and welcome to Luminex. In this video, we'll introduce the Milan operating mode, available starting from firmware version 1.8. With Milan operating mode, the switch actively inspects Milan traffic to determine whether connected Milan devices in redundant mode are using their primary or secondary network interfaces. Let's look at an example. In this setup, we have two redundant Milan devices connected to two GigaCore 10T switches. One switch is dedicated to the primary network, shown in pink, and the other is used for the secondary network, shown in cyan. If, by mistake, the primary and secondary connections of one device are swapped, Milan operating mode will detect this mismatch and notify you. Now let's see how to configure Milan operating mode. Starting from firmware version 1.8.0, you can configure this feature through the web interface under Group Settings. At the moment, it is not yet available in Araneo. First, open the web interface of your GigaCore switch using its IP address. Navigate to the Groups and Trunks tab. Click on Edit Groups. Ensure that AVB is enabled for the group where you want to use Milan-AVB. Then, select the desired Milan operating mode from the drop-down menu. Now let's look at how mismatches are indicated. In the web interface, any detected mismatch will highlight the affected port. Hovering over the port will display a warning message. You'll also see a notification next to the device preview indicating a potential issue with redundant Milan connections. Additionally, a new LED mode called Milan is available. This can be accessed via the mode button on your GigaCore or set as the default under device settings and LED indications. In Milan LED mode, each port uses color indicators. Off when Milan mode is disabled or the port is a trunk port. Solid pink, primary mode is configured or primary connection is detected. Solid cyan, a secondary mode is configured or a secondary connection is detected. Red blinking with pink, a mismatch. Primary is expected but secondary is detected. Red blinking with cyan, a mismatch. Secondary is expected but primary is detected. Solid purple, auto mode is enabled but no connection has been detected. It's important to note that Milan operating mode is purely a detection feature. It helps identify and report possible misconfigurations, but it does not affect Milan-AVB functionality itself. And that's it. You are now ready to use Milan operating mode to quickly detect and resolve misconfigurations in your network. Thank you for watching.